when I make dumpling like this, you don't take the whole of the oil. You don't suck up the oil, you know?
There's a tiny one now.
So you get a good texture of frying. Very nice. So like these dumplings now, you know, you can eat all 10, 20 of them because they're flat and nice. I like them big old ugly dumplings over there. I mean that. Awesome. You see me?
Welcome back, guys. Thanks for checking in with me, EJ. Me a check in, me now gonna check out. Hey guys, you know what time of day that is? Yep, that's right. It's time to update my Black History Matters t-shirt. So guys, the new historian we are going to be adding on my t-shirt is Rosa Parks, and everybody knows about Rosa Parks. She refused to give up her seat for a white man in 1955. So let's add Rosa Parks onto my t-shirt, shall we? So let's add her onto my t-shirt. So guys, let me show you Rosa Parks. I'm actually really liking it. You know why? Because it's like brown and black. I don't know if you can see brown and black, but look, it's black and brown. I'm actually really liking this. Now it's time to clear up this mess and get on to the real part of the video. So, what I am going to be doing today, as you probably already saw on the title, I am going to be making fritters with my dad. My dad calls them flitters with an L, and my mum calls them fritters with an R, but I just call them fried dumplings. And I know that they're not fried dumplings. I know that they're differently cooked to fried dumplings, but I just call them fried dumplings. So, my dad is going to be making the saltfish fritters, and he is also going to be making the plain fritters. The plain fritters is what I call is fried dumplings. I call them fried dumplings. Guys, fritters, flitters, fried dumplings. Who cares? Let's just get straight to the video! Okay, guys, as you can see, it's my dad here. You already know him. Say hi, Dad.
Hi people, you know me in that place again with EJ. I'll show them the kitchen, you know, I think so. Man.
Before we get started, guys, we have to get our aprons on. Daddy, you're supposed to jump.
Okay, we never know. Cool.
That's better. Let's get started! So guys, there are two bowls here because one is for my plain fritters and one is for the saltfish fritters. So what is the first step, Daddy?
Yeah, the first step, normally I add a little black pepper, if you can see. So you add a little black pepper.
That's quite a bit. That looks like it's a lot.
And if you can see, a little bit of fish season, we call it Maggi. Not too much.
Oh, that's green.
And a little tip of salt.
Never have too much salt.
And then we have water. Throw it on it. Then you mix it.
Daddy, can I mix?
Yeah, you can. And make it get light and thin, not too thick. One mix it. So you don't want it thick.
That's why we need water.
Okay guys, this is the consistency you need to see. And the next step, you just need to fry. You need to do just like this. You just throw it out of the bowl, right into the frying pot in the oil. Yeah, so I heat up the oil in the pot. So you know it's time to get the flour and the sugar. So we're gonna add the flour, you see?
That's cool.
That's it, that's how you had it.
What's that noise though?
Simple as that.
What's that noise?
Simple as ABC 1, 2, 3. You know? If you can see the color change, you know, you think set the color change that you know say it fry properly. When the next side fry, I'm gonna turn it over a little bit. There you see the finishing, man. You know you think set. Understand?
Whoa. There's 2 babies and mommy and daddy.
Yeah man, if you can see, plain flour is already finished. Well done, you know what I mean? Fry settle, if you can look for the texture. Lovely, nice. You know what I mean? You know EJ can't wait to shell on them.
Guys, could you just give me a moment to just enjoy all of these before we get onto the saltfish fritters? So now guys, we are moving on to the saltfish flitters. So what are we doing here?
Okay guys, if you can see, I have my season here like my onion and my sweet pepper. You have orange color, red color, a country pepper, a garlic. Normally I have scallion or tomato, but I don't have none today, so I'm just gonna use what I have. And saltfish already soaked, and a little bit of black pepper. I was not gonna use no seasoning because of the saltfish is already salt, so we don't want it to over salt or corn. So that's about that to make my saltfish fritters. First step first, we gotta get this chopped up.
Daddy, I can help you with that!
Okay.
Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1. Okay, Daddy, that's all that chopped up. So what is next?
Alright, this is going to go in the bowl with the flour, and I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper, and then the saltfish I'm going to pick it up in pieces, put it in the flour.
Okay, Daddy, that is all done. So what's the next step?
Our next step is we're going to add the water in and mix it like the next one. Try to get it a little softer, and then we fry it. Yeah.
We're done.
Yes, we are done. So this is what it look like, the consistency. You know what I mean? So now it's just to go in the pot and fry. But you're gonna use a spoon. You don't throw this one. You're gonna use a spoon to place it in the pot. So you will see that. Yeah. So you know we'll get started to fry the fritters. So these ones you have to place them inside of the frying pan. You know, see? Just like that.
Oh, I get it. Guys, the flitters are all done. To be honest, when Daddy was in the kitchen cooking the saltfish flitters, it was burning my eyes, the pepper and the onions. So I had to get out of the kitchen. Throughout the time when my daddy was frying these, I was actually yamming off these. I was like, next one. I just want to get started eating, but before I do that, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment down below if you have ever made fritters like these, or you have ever made saltfish fritters. Comment down below, guys, and don't forget to like. I'm checking out, not checking in. A people with size, yours cleaners. I'm good.
But,